Hey, it's Yogi Bryan here. Got a box from IndiCO candles, and I'm gonna open it up here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. Nice little thank you card here. Let's check it out. Oh, Amber Moon. Look at that. Yes. That's Zen. I really like that. Come over here, check it out. All these little ones here. So we got white sage and lavender, fresh spruce, soft blanket, thieves oil, I think I'm saying that right, fresh coffee, ooh, fresh coffee, I like that, and we got eucalyptus and mint. So let's check it out. We're gonna have Noah, my 10-year-old son. We're gonna see which one he likes the best, all right? I got all these candles here. We're gonna see which one Noah likes with his eyes closed. Let's see. Okay, Noah, close your eyes, all right? We got the first one up. This is number 1. Okay. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. You got it all? Okay. Number 5. Number 6. Man, there's too many. Are you going to remember all these? Mm-hmm. Okay. And number 7. Which one's the winner?
Number 5.
Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it? Ooh, thieves oil. Thieves oil. That was the winner of the contest. They all smell good. Check these candles out. I love them so much. I got one a couple weeks ago, and I've been burning it nonstop. You got to check it out.